What's up, guys? It's Bryan Ingham with Ingham Realty. Welcome to another episode of Enjoy Living in North Idaho, where I talk about eating, sleeping, drinking, buying real estate, everything North Idaho. Today, as you can see behind me, I'm showing you my new listing on South Mystery Trail in Post Falls. It is up on the mountain, 10 acres overlooking Idaho, Washington, Spokane, the river, Liberty Lake, all that stuff. Beautiful views up here. So let's jump right into it and take a look, shall we? So right here we got 10 acres of beautiful Idaho land up in the mountains with beautiful views behind me, as you can see. Here's the road right over here to come up to the property. There's another house right up there that they're in construction building, and lot for sale is the one right down over here. This property is located about a 15-minute drive up the mountain from Post Falls, and about 30 minutes to Coeur d'Alene, downtown Coeur d'Alene, Idaho, and then about 30 minutes to Spokane, Washington. So it's in a nice position right there at the Idaho-Washington border, and again, just 15 minutes down the mountain and you're right in town. Here's the electrical box right here. So this goes up to the split half lot up here, and where they got a house up there, but this lot is for down here. So you got power right here. Let's walk down here a little bit. As you can see, we got some nice mountain views out this way and some city views way out that way. We're pretty high up here, about 3,600 feet. You can see just how far it goes down there. So you can see Liberty Lake way out there, and then beyond that, and see the highway, and you got the Spokane River going along there, and then way out there is Spokane, and you can see even beyond Spokane. It's yeah, we're pretty high up. Here's the road that comes into the property. So all the way down you see this road, and from here downward, that's where the property line goes pretty much. 10 acres down this hill. So you can, a couple of nice building pads that you got here. You can build your house and take in these terrific views here. If you guys are thinking about getting a nice piece of your own beautiful North Idaho, have your own private Idaho like this, then please give me a call, send me a text or email. I would love to answer any questions that you have. Just show you around the area. I've been helping people buy and sell real estate for over 20 years now, and I would just love to guide you and help you in all these beautiful areas. If you guys like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. That way you'll be notified of all my new videos when they come out. Putting out new videos every week showcasing the whole area of North Idaho. All right, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.